I don't know how people fucking do this, if I'm honest. Probably shouldn't swear either. Oh, this is gonna be so weird. Anyway, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Raj, and this is a series called Organising My Life. Now this will be chapter 1 of this story, and what these chapters will sort of outline is different aspects of my life that I want to focus on. That could be as simple as creating a small routine, or as big as goals that I've set for myself. That could be in the coming weeks, coming months, coming years, as well as focusing on goals within personally and in my career. Now, this series is honestly, I'm making this as a reflection to myself, really. I don't think I'm qualified to provide any advice to people on how they can really focus on different aspects of their life. This is just as a challenge to myself, where I'll sort of set out little tasks and challenges to focus on each of these areas and try and conquer them over a week to a month, however long it takes, and provide you what I'm going to do, as well as a recap video and how it went, and how successful it was for me, and things that you guys can try as well if that's something that you want to sort of focus on. This being chapter 1, it will be sort of the beginning, and what that will mean is the start of the series. And what I want to sort of focus on is 3 different tasks in this video, and task 1 being this video. And really editing, and as well as setting out a structure on how I want these to be produced, as well as scripted, and so on and so forth. So obviously this is going to be a bit rough around the edges, but hopefully iron those things out as the weeks and months go on with these videos, and hopefully be a bit better in front of the camera. Now, task 2 will be creating the list. And what this list will be is really things that I want to focus on within these chapters, and what these chapters will be called and what they will outline. I'll explain this in my recap video to this chapter and what I'm going to be focusing on as examples. Like, as an example, that could be something related to fitness, could be related to creating some routines around my life, morning, as well as work habits and stuff like that, and healthy habits that I want to introduce. Now, the third is very simple. It's really just cleaning up my environment. Now, that could literally mean like cleaning up my environment. That could be my room, my car, my office, at work, as well as it could also mean clutter, things such as tasks and errands that I haven't run yet, things I have to do that I've been lingering on for weeks and weeks. I want to sort of just get those out of the way, so that way going forward I have nothing holding me back, nothing really making me feel guilty about certain things, so I know I can just focus on the tasks in hand. And that's pretty much it. I'm going to keep these videos very short. I personally don't have the attention span to watch a 15 to 20 minute video. I'm going to try to keep these as entertaining as I can. This is the first time I've been really in front of the camera. I've made some videos, travel videos and stuff like that, but you put some music behind it, you can't hear anyone. The easiest to edit. Not easy, but it's a lot easier than being in front of the camera. So we'll see how this goes. This might not even come out, but if you're seeing it, let me know how it was. Things that I can improve on. Obviously, me saying like 150,000 times isn't helping, but whatever. I'm just going to put this out there, see how it goes. One person watches it, no one watches it. Who cares? It's for me anyway. Catch you later, enjoy the rest of your day, and thank you, and apologies for wasting your 5 minutes of your life. My name is Raj, as most of you might know, and this is a trash ass intro. keep it closed.